And I thought, my God, I'm going to dance with this boy that's like the best, dancer in the world. But then I remember one night, we were at a party, I think it was on the Queen Mary, and we danced all night long. And I never even thought about that, I wasn't his equal as a dancer. We were just having a blast. He was a great teenager. He was a great, optimistic, adorable, not very confident, though. I mean, he was so beautiful and adorable, but he didn't have any confidence in that.
Why on earth do you think this beautiful and adorable child would go around changing his persona, changing the way he looked?
I don't know. I really don't know. Obviously, he didn't feel that. But, I had heard, like, strange things. That night at that party, a guy came over and said something to me about him, and I went, you know what? This is the kind of crap that people start. They just start rumors. You have no idea what you're talking about.